This is breaking news now from today's TMJ4.
And that breaking news, a verdict reached in the Slender Man trial, but the judge said there was an inconsistency and promptly ordered jurors to resume deliberations. Now, we've been waiting for that final verdict for, well, nearly 12 hours now.
Yeah, that's right. Waukesha County Judge Michael Boren sent the jury back in because there were two dissenting jurors, and he said there were inconsistencies in what they put down as answers to two important questions. Rebecca Clough is live at the Waukesha County Courthouse with the latest, and this has been a very long night for a lot of people, Rebecca.
It has, George and Carol. Now, there were two questions that the jury had to ask or answer. Now, the first question was, did she have a mental defect, which we know they had to have said yes to because they got to the second question. And that second question was, did that defect mean she's not criminally responsible? Here's the catch. Two different people answered differently on those. So the judge says that can't be the case, that we need 10 yeses or nos from the same people. So he sent them all back to the jury room to begin deliberations again.
All week, the jury has watched a young girl listening to two very different descriptions of Anissa Weier.
The evidence will show that at the time this occurred, Anissa's broken mind caused her to lose touch with reality.
Morgan is the one that does the stabbing, I'm not denying that, but it's on Anissa's command. Go berserk.
They have spent hours trying to decide if Anissa really has a delusion disorder and that she believed the fictional character Slender Man was going to kill her and her family. The reason the defense says she told her friend to stab the victim.
That he could read her mind, that he was always watching, that he could be anywhere in the blink of an eye, that he stalked, stole, and strangled children and their families.
But the state says the real reason was not Anissa's belief in Slender Man, but the 12-year-old's worry that Morgan Geyser would stop being her friend if she didn't do this.
It was a choice. A want is a choice. And it was a choice that she needs to be held criminally responsible.
Now, if the jury decides that Anissa Weier is mentally ill, she is going to go to an institution. If she's found competent, she's going to go to prison. Now, we are going to, of course, stay with this all night to figure out what the decision of the jury is going to be, even if that decision is that they're going to wait again until tomorrow to keep deliberating. But right now, we are live at the Waukesha County Court, standing by for whatever decision that may be. George and Carol.
Okay, Rebecca, thank you very much. We'll let you get back in and as we look at a live picture inside the Waukesha County Courthouse.
And as things stand now, we're at 10-2 on the two questions facing jurors, but it is two different dissenting jurors on each of these questions, and that is the rub for the judge. We're going to continue to monitor this, and as soon as we have an answer, as Rebecca said, we will bring it to you. Worth noting, the other defendant in the Slender Man stabbing case, Morgan Geyser, will go on trial next month. Geyser has pleaded not guilty by reason of mental disease.